And we begin this evening with breaking news for you. The Biden family back in the GOP crosshairs. And just moments ago, the House Oversight Committee announcing that it has subpoenaed and obtained 2 bank wires revealing that Hunter Biden received payments originating from Chinese nationals. Chairman James Comer alleging that these payments occurred while his father, Joe Biden, was running for president. And Comer also alleging just moments ago that Biden's Wilmington, Delaware home was listed as the beneficiary address for both of these wires. For breaking developments ahead of the Oversight Committee's first impeachment inquiry, of course, into President Biden, scheduled for this Thursday, and the list of witnesses has just been released. Member of the House Oversight Committee, Louisiana Congressman Clay Higgins, is joining us tonight. Congressman Higgins, thank you for being with us on the record. First off, your reaction about Comer's new revelation that these wire payments from China had a beneficiary address of the home there in Wilmington. How do you think that will impact Thursday's hearing?
Well, it's certainly going to be part of the discussion. But let me just say that the bank records that we've been investigating for months, which were all prompted by suspicious activity reports on monies that were transferred through shell companies into Biden family accounts in a clear effort to conceal those transactions. That's gold for investigations. And this bank record that you're hearing of today was born of our investigation into the suspicious activity reports. And I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised, and there's going to be more.
So, Congressman Higgins, obviously there's a lot here to get into. Will we expect subpoenas of Hunter Biden and James Biden as well, in addition to these bank records?
Yes, ma'am. Well, we're going to use our subpoena authority judiciously and appropriately, and that means that the timeline for subpoenas will be determined by our investigative effort, not the other way around. We will not use subpoenas politically, but the entire Biden family could expect to either testify willingly, cooperate with our oversight investigation, or they can look for subpoenas.
Finally, Congressman Higgins, the 3 witnesses we can expect on Thursday, what do you expect that will look like? It's a forensic expert and also Jonathan Turley, a legal expert. Is this sort of the groundwork that you want the American people to hear first and foremost?
Yes, ma'am. We have to clarify for the American people exactly what impeachment is and what the founders intended it to be, what the Constitution actually says, what that language means, what it meant in 1787 when it was drafted. And we have the appropriate experts testifying. Jonathan Turley, constitutionalist lawyer of great renown, certainly not a partisan witness. He has worked on behalf of constitutional rights against, say, the Bush administration and the Obama administration. He's been on both sides of decisions that President Trump made. So he's an excellent bipartisan constitutionalist attorney witness. And we have Ms. O'Connor, who's a tax expert, tax legal expert, and Mr. Dubinsky, who's a forensic investigator, specializes in financial transactions and as it intersects with criminal operations.
Congressman Clay Higgins, thank you for your time this evening tonight and reacting to that breaking news on the bank wires just released. Good to see you, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.